maalala ninyo, nung unang sinara ito, ginawang limitado ang traffic dito sa San Monico. Ay sabi namin, gagawin ng DPWH sa ayusin lahat ng nasira dito, hindi na-maintain ng mabuti. At sabi nito, we were hoping aming prediction was makakapagtawid na yung 12 tons na truck dito sa San Juanico by the time, by Christmas time, by New Year. Mabuti naman, medyo na mabilis ang trabaho. At ngayon, pwede na natin buksan ito for 15 tons na truck. So, malaking pagbabago pa, makakatawid na. There is a plan from the local government, the Mayor of Tacloban, last it up, na paggabi, pag mas madalang ang traffic, baka pwedeng gawin ay magpadaan ng one-way lang kahit yung malalaking truck. Kasi kung sa ngayon, 2 ways, 15 tons. So 15 tons na magkapila. Pag one-way na lang, kahit 30 tons, kayang tumawid. Pero one-way lang. So ang gagawin, yung LGU, yung magkapilang LGU, sila magda-traffic para tiyakin na one-way lang ang takbo. So, sasara yung bansa. Kagaya pagka tinatrabaho yung kalsada, gano'n. That's the same idea. So, we are hoping for the total return of the previous function to allow 33 tons two ways by the middle of third quarter of 2020. I hopefully by the middle of next year, third quarter of next year, fully functional na ito. I hope that this serves as a lesson to all future administrators of in government, of all government workers, of anything to do with this. The retrofit cost us 1.1 billion pesos. That is money that we could have saved if proper maintenance was carried out on San Monico. We would not have to do any of this. Kung yung every 3 years ini-inspection, inaayos, wala tayong gagastusin na kahit na ano, yun lang. MOE lang yun. That's the MOE of DPWH. Nakasama dyan. Kasama yan sa MOE ng DPWH. Kung saan napunta, but hindi na nag-inspection, kaya tayo nagkaganto. Sana naman, itong experience natin na ito, matuto na tayo na napaka-importante na tayo ay continuing maintenance.